In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter in Jira. If you want a quick way to find the exact work items you need without searching manually every time, creating a filter in Jira is a great option. Filters help you narrow down issues based on specific conditions, and once saved, you can come back to them whenever you need. To get started, go to the top navigation area in Jira and click on Filters. This is where Jira organizes saved searches and gives you access to issue filtering tools. If you're new to Jira, this section is especially useful because it helps you manage large numbers of tasks more efficiently. After that, click Search Work Items. This opens the issue search view where you can begin defining exactly what you want Jira to show you. Think of this page as your workspace for building a custom search. Instead of scrolling through every issue, you can tell Jira to display only the ones that match your needs. Next, choose the filters you want to apply. In this example, you can filter by assignee, type, and status. The assignee filter helps you see work assigned to a specific person. The type filter lets you narrow results by issue type, such as tasks, bugs, or stories. The status filter is useful for showing only items in a certain stage, like to do, in progress, or done. Take a moment here to select the combination that best matches what you're trying to track. The more precise your filter is, the easier it will be to reuse later. Once your search results look right, click Save Filter. This tells Jira that you want to keep this search for future use instead of rebuilding it every time. Saving filters is especially helpful if you regularly monitor the same set of issues for reporting, planning, or day-to-day task management. You'll then be asked to enter a name and a description for the filter. Choose a clear, specific name so it's easy to recognize later. For the description, briefly explain what the filter is used for. This can be very helpful if you share it with teammates or if you create multiple filters and want to stay organized. Finally, click Save. Your filter is now stored in Jira and can be accessed again whenever you need it. That means the next time you want to view that exact set of work items, you can open the saved filter instead of starting from scratch. And that's how to create a filter in Jira. With just a few clicks, you can make your issue tracking faster, cleaner, and much more organized.